Hello everyone, I am Arnav Deshpande back with another video. And in this video, we are going to see how exactly we can use this Office Lens app in order to create the PDF. PDF creation can be used while teaching or even submitting various assignments and also sharing it to our friends, a bunch of photos. In this way, the PDF making can be used. So let us begin without any delay. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And please share it to your nears as much as possible. So first, all the thing you need to do is just go to the Play Store or even App Store. It is available and search for Office Lens. I've already installed it, but I will uninstall it and re-show you how to use it. Mm, okay, yeah. Till that, I will say its features. You can we can use the resolution or aspect ratio to mm, scan PDFs, and then here it is given that Office Lens is a pocket PDF scanner to scan documents and whiteboard images. Yeah, and then nothing best with this, but we can see that much that mm, photos will be clearer than the camera of default camera of our mobile phone. Now after installing the application, just open it and then give it access to all the permission. Here it has asked file manager permission, and here allow the camera permission also, and then press the button start scanning. Next, uh, just click this button, don't send optional data, close. And everyone, I was just saying that if you want to sign in to Microsoft, you can do so, but it is not needed now, and it is not compulsory actually. And now after, as you open the app, I will show you by restarting everything. As you open the application Office Lens, okay, yeah, as you open the application, a camera will open, and then you can scan as many as documents you want. Yeah, you can do all the settings here, filtering or rotating the image, or you can even crop it to the size you needed, and then it will automatically decide which filter is correct. But if you want to give manually, then you can swipe up and give the filters, and then I need not to show you the rest of the settings because you can see it directly here. You can even insert the text, or you can doodle something like this, and these are the basic features of Office Lens. If you want to add something from gallery, then you can see here, or just swipe up and add it from the gallery. And even to add a new photo, after pressing this one, you can see here add new, and you can rescan anything, and now just add the photo. Okay, confirm, and this will add the photo. And in this way you can scan as many as images, and you can make a PDF. Now you see, I'll show you by adding another photo. Okay, I have added this photo. Yeah, then confirm everything, and then press this side arrow so that it is showing you have confirmed to move forward, and then press done. This here you can see many options. You can save the photos directly to a gallery, or create a PDF in your mobile local storage, or you can send it to OneNote, but you need to sign into Microsoft. It is not so necessary for these four options, but if this is uh, there, gallery and PDF is there for it, you can just save any of the options there, and after saving it will be saved to your local storage. I have made two or three more documents which I use daily. In this way you can use or create PDF, and I suggest you just to move the document to a new folder. I will show that to you now. Okay, yeah. As you open your local file manager, it is mi phone, so it is showing mi file manager. Any file manager available in your phone you can use, and then all the PDFs you have created will be saved in the document section. As you can see here, documents. In that one folder is there, office lens. uh, by which name you have saved that folder, you saved that PDF, select that, and move it to a good folder, or a folder which will be visible for you all the time. Because when Zoom meeting, when sharing the PDF in the Zoom meeting, it will take an ease. That is why I am saying you. Mm, I will show you how it will be easy for sharing in Zoom meeting after moving it to a easy folder. So paste it in a visible folder, all time visible folder. That is, you can name as one, or even any symbol, dot, a comma, or a colon, anything as you wish. Just ensure that it should be on the top of the list in file manager. This was all about saving a PDF in our file manager, and now I will show you how exactly you can share that, or how the saving to another folder will help in Zoom meeting. So start a meeting. You can schedule a meeting or directly start this instant meeting, and after starting this meeting it will take a while for connecting. And after connecting, here you can see the share option, and now after pressing the share option you can see your document. Press on that, and then device storage, and then for the folder. See, I have saved the PDF to the uh, folder which will be always on the top of the list, that is one. I saved so because uh, it will be an ease while sharing in Zoom meeting. Now you can see here directly this folder you can open and share the PDF created by Office Lens. And now the PDF is shared. It is visible to all the participants in the meeting. Uh, in this way, you can share all the PDFs, or you can create PDF and share that to your uh, Zoom meetings. And in this way, you can create a PDF using Office Lens. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.